Hey, what's going on, y'all? Doing a Pixel 4a unboxing today. So I went ahead and ordered the Google Pixel 4a, like at least for the Google Fi network. I can only get it in black, but it still looks pretty good. So I went ahead and got this case too, so have some color to it. Now had a little bit of a head start. There were these two little tab things, but I tore those off. So let's look inside. It's going. It's going. Boom. All right. Yeah, looks pretty good. Matte black. All right. I currently have the Pixel 3a, so this is a lot lighter than that one. Turn it on. Okay, so now we get full screen. Even where the camera is, that's cool. So our fingerprint reader, kind of a bigger camera area here. Looking at the sides. Oh. Looks like it's ready to go. Amber alerts and everything.
Colorado City, TX Amber Alert, LIC, HKB 4110, TX 2014 white Chevrolet Silverado truck.
Eesh. Alright. Yeah, so this is just unboxing, just kind of taking a look. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay. Little SIM card tool. Got your power block. Type-C cable. And then your little adapter Type-C to your USB. It's pretty stuck in there for one hand. There we go. Kind of this tough plastic material. But yeah, the 3C, this is pretty much standard stuff that came with it too. So this was like $350 for the phone. So not bad. Here's the case. Case was, I thought, a little bit pricey. I think it was around maybe $40 or something, but I don't know. I don't usually splurge on these cases, but since I saved some money on the phone, I was like, why not get some color? Alright. Yeah, so kind of this like fabric-y material. Looks pretty cool. Inside, kind of a soft fake leather. So just pop that in there. And you're good to go. So take off this wrapper. Yeah, so that's just initial unboxing. I'll start using it a little bit. Let y'all know what I think. Alright, take care everyone. Be safe out there.